Okay.
Chicken beef, chicken.
Sakuha ang kante. Sakuha ang chicken beef. Chicken beef. Okay. Kana po, ina chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef.
Chicken beef, chicken beef. Ay. Chicken beef, chicken beef. Chicken,
Tara na ina chicken beef.
chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef. Ay.
Ina chicken beef.
Chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef.
Tara nga glito ina chicken beef.
Chicken beef.
Ina chicken beef, chicken beef.
Ay, pas-pasok.
Okay, paspasa kana po. Chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef. Ay, paspasag may kuan ina chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef. Okay.
Okay, chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef.
Kana po ba iya ba chicken beef, 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 chicken beef. Ana ko kana po ba?
Chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken
Nawa na. So,
chicken beef, chicken beef,
Okay.
chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken beef.
paspasa.
Ay,
Okay.
chicken beef,
Chicken
chicken
beef.
beef, chicken beef, chicken
Eh, asos na unsa. Opat ra.
chicken
Okay,
beef,
chicken beef.
Ay, bo.
Taro nga ba? Gis gis.
Chicken beef,
Kalima lang.
chicken beef, chicken beef,
Kalima lang.
chicken beef,
Taganti ka,
chicken beef,
taganti ka
chicken
kuan.
beef,
Partida.
chicken beef, chicken beef, chicken
Beef.
beef.
Okay. Unya kay nasag-o naman nimo ang napo ka chicken beef. Ya dayon. Pangutan onti ka.
Unsa man?
Pangutan onti ka.
Unsa lagi?
Nakoy pangutan nimo.
Unsa?
Unsa in English sa manok?
Ano? Chicken.
Ah, chicken. Chicken.
Ah,
Unsa in English sa baboy?
beef.
Na.
Oh, chicken beef man. Beef bitaw.
Di oy.
Beef man.
Di lagi.
Beef.
Unsa in English baboy?
Beef.
Beef. Taka.
Pigay.
Ah. Unsa in English baboy?
Beef.
Na, beef na sad.
Ay, nonsa man. Pig.
Ha?
Pig. Ay.
Unsa in English baboy?
Pig na pig.
Ha?
Kanta lagi kong utok.
Unsa? Unsa in English baboy?
Pig.
Pig day.
Oh, pig.
Nas-
Tukog beef. Giingnan mo kung dadak upat. Lapo na beef. Chicken beef.
Chicken beef. Dayon, nagtuo kang in English baboy beef. Lipat-lipat ro na gud.
Ha?
Lipat-lipat.
Di mo ko gilipat.
Ah, lipat ro ko sa
Ah.
Ako ra gilipat sa ni Kanjin Magat kung ako ra gilipat sa ni Kanjin Magat kung malipat ba siya. Nalipat gid siya. Kay in English sa baboy kay beef ko na ingon siya. Ang in English baboy diri sa mga kay ang baboy pig na pig. In English.
Pig.
Pig. Unya kung nagustuhan niyo ang mga video Magat,
Please like
please share,
and subscribe.
please subscribe sa among YouTube channel. Probinsyano kaya thank you.
Mwah.